Hello guys, today I would like to show you problem I've got with the RT4 Radiotone radio, the PDT smartphone, and I cannot turn it on. It just completely stopped working, and I know what's the problem. I know what's the problem because I already spoke with the Radiotone support and they fix the problem. They give me a fix for the problem, but now it failed again, and that's made me quite unhappy. So what's the problem? The problem is in the battery. The battery was wrong manufacture, and over here you've got the pins on the battery, and as you can see there is a hole, and the board which holds the pin was glued using hot glue, and when the battery gets warm, the board inside, the glue is melting, and the contacts on the phone are pushing the pins, and it loses contact with the phone, and you cannot turn it on. As you can see, there is a hole over there, and I reported the problem. I told them everything, and they tell me okay, we know the problem, we are going to give you a replacement battery that will fix the problem. And this is the old battery. As you can see, I turned it apart because it was not working. This is the board that have problem. Let me zoom. As you can see, I was adding a little bit solder over here to make it higher to grab the contact, but that would not fix the problem. That's how it looks like. So I cut it open just to see what's inside, because as I told you, I've got a replacement, and I was very happy. Over here, over there, that you can see the hot glue, and that hot glue was holding the board, and over here also was the hot glue. You can see rest of the hot glue, and when the hot glue is melting, it's pushing the board down like that, and it's breaking the contact. So that was the problem, and I say okay, no problem. They give me a replacement free of charge. So I think okay, everything is fine. I've got the replacement battery, and I was using it for like about a month, maybe a little less, and now the RT4 is not working again because of exactly the same issue the board inside get in. So I'm not happy they not sent me a battery that have fixed the issue manufacture. They send me the battery that will fail in the month. So I don't think that's okay. I'm going to try fix it by myself. I'm going to try to open it because I learn from this battery what's inside. I will try to make a cut under this board because I know there is nothing important, there is empty space. So I will try to make a cut over here, and I will push the board, and I hope I will be able to fix it by myself without sending the phone back, because I very enjoy the phone, but I was enjoy the company because they sent me the replacement for free, but I'm not happy they not send me one that is fixing the problem in the permanent, because they know the problem, and they told me that they've got a new battery with the fixed issue, so they're not using the hot glue. So that's how it looks like. Let me try to play on that battery, and maybe I will make it working. So see you. As you can see, I was cutting by the battery, and over there, please focus because I would like to show you that I don't think you can see very well. and over here you can see the hot glue just under the board, and if we will be able to pry it up, then it should work. There is a hot glue blob over there. So I make a very quick fix. I put a little wood element over there, so it's pushing upward the board, and there is no gap, as you can see right now. It's straight. So like this is the board. I push it over here and it's going upward. Over here it's pushing like that from that corner. So let's check if that dirty fix help, because I'm anyway going to contact them and I'm going to tell about the problem and I'm not happy. But let's see. Okay, so I'm back. The Android has boot up, and as you can see I've got a Zello running and I can make a test call. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check please. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check please. So as you can see it's working. I fixed that by using that tiny element of the wood, and I stuff it over there under the board. As you can see on the bottom there is a space, there is a rest of the glue. I'm not happy about that fix, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to contact the company and I'm going to tell them how much effort that I have to put on this, and they send me a replacement, and the replacement also failed. So if you have a problem and your RT4 suddenly don't start up, please check the contacts if they drop inside. If they drop inside, then you've got your answer why it's not starting up. That's not the fault of the Android. That's not the fault of the phone. That's just fault of the contact. That's a mechanical failure, and you can fix it by yourself. I mean a temp fix until they send you a replacement working battery, because I do not consider that as a fix, just like a temp. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.